Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. My name's Katie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be playing with makeup. That's kind of my MO lately. I got some of the JD Glow single shadows. Jen on Beauty Riot X was like going on and on, raving about them, so I got a few of them. And so I'm just going to do a look with my Creepy Cute palette, and since it's all matte, I figured I would use my JD Glow Galaxy shadows. So I'm going to do a look that matches my hair and my dress. And you guys know I like to do looks that match my hair. If you're interested in that, stick around. My eyes are already primed with my P. Louise base in Rumor 02, and I'm going to start with the color. I'm going to use my Morphe M506, and I'm going to start with the color Tombstone. And I'm just going to put that in my outer V. And drag it through my crease. And I'm just blending that outer line so I can keep from getting any harsh lines. Just making sure my camera's recording because I do that a lot lately. Sit here and jabber on for 20 minutes and realize my camera's not running. Okay, so every time I use the M506, I have three that look the same and I can never tell which is which. So I'm gonna not do that. I'm gonna use my new Kaleidos makeup brush in S2, and I'm gonna go into Planchette, this purple color, and I'm gonna go 50% on the gray and 50% off, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And I'm gonna run this in my inner corner pretty heavy. I love that. That looks super pretty. Awesome. And then I'm going to use my Kaleidos Cosmetics. Is it Kaleidos Cosmetics? What is it? I don't know. Oh, for fuck's sake. Kaleidos makeup. Okay, now I'm going to go into Strawberry Milk. And I use this as my blush. That's kind of a little tricky poo that I learned from Butte Bean. If you guys haven't seen her channel, I love the way she does makeup. So I'm just going to use Strawberry Milk, and I'm going to blend out the purple, and I'm just going to go 50% on the purple and 50% off. And then I'm going to go back in with the S2 into Planchette and just add a little because I feel like I kind of lost it. That looks nice. And then with my Morphe M506 into Tombstone again and just add a little more. And then blend it out with that S2 that I used with no additional product. And then with the S1 that I used for Strawberry Milk with no additional product, I'm just going to go and give it one final blend. I'm just going to use a clean brush with no product on it. My Luxie 250 large eye blending, and I'm just going to kind of go over this whole thing and just blend the whole thing together, like so it just flows nicely with no harsh lines. And then I'm going to go underneath with the S5 pencil brush from Kaleidos, and I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to place the gray Tombstone underneath. And then I'm going to use the S4 for the color Planchette, and I'm just going to use that to blend that out. And then the S3 with Strawberry Milk to just smoke that lower lash line out. And I'm going all the way to the inner corner on that. That's perfection right there. Now, I think I'm just going to use the the S1, the biggest one, to kind of just go in and just give that one last go around. And I'm just going to drag that up because I like it. I have three colors. What are the colors? And these single shadows are $7.50 a piece. They're not inexpensive. So I have the color AKA is this pink color, and then this light pink is Sin, And then the purple is Insane. And these are all Galaxy shadows. I have been using my Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader, and this seems to just really pick up color. So I've been using it like crazy to put on my shimmers, and I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So I'm just gonna use this. I'll use one of these ABH brushes to put on my NYX Glitter Primer with the ABH, the backside of the ABH stock brush, the brush that comes stock with the palette. And I'll use the backside of that because I'm gonna actually, no, I'm not. So I'm gonna go in with the purple and I'm gonna put that. Oh yeah, that picks up beautifully. This brush rocks. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna pat it into the back, and then, ooh, that is so fucking pretty. Good Lord. And then I'm gonna go into the, I think it was AKA, the darker pink. And I'm just dragging that over the top so that it kind of comes up along the line, and then I'm just gonna pat to kind of just blend that edge, to just meld these two colors together. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe M506 and just blending that outer V so there's no harsh line. And then I'm gonna bring it around town.
Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town.
I feel like I lost a little more of that purple than I wanted to. I don't think I have any fallout whatsoever. And then I'm gonna go in with my little pencil brush, the S5. And back into AKA. These are fucking beautiful. Thanks, Jen. These are pretty much a beauty riot. Okay, for the finishing touch, I'm going to use my Zoeva 230 Luxe Pencil Brush, and I'm going to use the color Sin, the lighter pink, as my inner corner highlight. And I'm just going to tap that on the edge so I don't get any fallout. And I'm going to use just a tiny bit on my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. I know brow bone highlights are out, but I love them and I think they look pretty, so I have been trying to I'm bringing them back. I'm not trying to bring them back to you. You don't have to put a brow bone highlight, but I fucking love them. I think they just add a little something something. I love this. I think it looks fucking beautiful, and once again, I'm going for the fairy unicorn, la la la. I'm gonna go talk to my kid, do my other eye, put some eyeliner on, do my lashes and my lips, and I'll be back when I'm done. Don't move. This is it, the manifesto, the final piece. Let me know what you guys think. I am in love with this look. So I used my LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner in the color Blaze on my waterline, but then I also used my NYX Slide on Glide on Stay On All Day blah 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 gel liner in the color Platinum and I used it just in the very center of my waterline so that it would give it like depth. And then I used and I shouldn't even be using this, but I gotta choose joy, right? Is my Makeup Monsters liquid lipstick in the color Grim. And Makeup Monsters doesn't exist anymore. They rebranded to Menagerie Cosmetics, but I don't think that they have this color anymore. And actually, this isn't even the most current packaging from Makeup Monsters. Makeup Monsters repackaged and then rebranded to Menagerie, but this color is not, it's kind of a one of a kind, and it's one of my favorite colors. So anyway, I feel like a beautiful unicorn. I use my Star Surfer on my Cupid's bow and in my lip. I also use this as my highlighter. I mean, I feel like I really just kind of went really creative with this look, and I, you know, used eyeshadow for blush, and I used my JD Glow shadows, and I'm super excited about just kind of coming back to the table in the new year with a different kind of fresh outlook and a fresh hairdo. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you love this look and you want to see more like pastels and like unicorn, magical fairy looks. If you don't like my hair, I don't want to fucking hear about it. And what else? Hang out with me in the comments, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. Like the video if you like this look or whatever. And I'll see you guys soon. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were here with me, and I appreciate you so much.